So I've just finished dinner and it was delicious, absolutely delicious. So now I'm making my way back to my room. I've got a few calls to make before the evening's out, especially the overseas call because the time difference ratio. Interesting. This place is like an adventure. There's so much things to explore and see. So you get the scale of it. This is a model of Lumley Castle. As you can see, we're all exploring. It's like a museum in here. Imagine this is just the pathway to the restaurant. And it's called the Black Knights Restaurant and Breakfast Room. Yeah, Black Knight. Beautiful. Ooh, look at this Ming. That's a Ming Dynasty vase. Wow. Wow. Where did you come from, kitty cat? The cat didn't even pay me no mind. This is a nice, relaxing lounge area. You again? How are you? Did you get your milk and your kitty treats? It's the kitty. Oh dear. Yeah, that was hilarious. Guys, when you heard me giggling, it was because the other guest, oh my goodness, seriously. And that's one of the things about When you're a solo traveler, you meet so much extraordinary people. There's never a dull moment. Okay, so we've got the board game. So this is like the relaxation games room. Yeah. And there's a bar through there. But right now I need to get up to the room. I've got a few calls to make. Then I've got to pop out for a moment. Right, let's find our way back. Everywhere you turn, there's just ancient historical pieces, and take a look at this. Let's look down. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Is it this way? Yes. See? Right. This is the courtyard. Okay, my bedroom is right up there in the middle. Okay, so they said when the weather is nice, we have breakfast out here. So we shall see what the weather's like tomorrow. Oh, lovely. Back in the warmth. There's lots of spiral stairs. I'm sure that's my theme tune, Four Seasons. Okay, and as you can see, we have express checkout for those who need to get out and about in a hurry. So that's handy. Okay, so these are some of the events they put on, and they hold weddings. They've got the conference room, theme nights. I'm sure a certain time they do banquets and murder mystery dinners, etc. And all the leaflets and information. So tomorrow I'll be coming down here to pick up a few bits, and yeah, we'll hit some tourist attractions. Yeah, so as you can see, there's event packages available. Your sport for choice, basically. And there is Mr. Kitty Cat on the counter. And look at this beautiful flower display. And yeah, this is in the lobby. Just look at the castle ceiling. Extraordinary. Believe you me, guys, the camera does not do it any justice. You need to actually book and come here and experience it for yourself. Okay. Ooh, right. Ooh, it's a bit nippy. These are the courtyard residents. I think they're 1 bedrooms. Okay, so I didn't go for the courtyard because I wanted to book in the main castle. Oh yeah, guy. And by the way, what I love about this property, it is so secure. The security is very, very, very tight. So I'm just going to pause this to tap in the key code and then I'll take you upstairs. Okay, so here we are. And this door takes you to bedrooms 50 to 43, that's 61 to 68. So, let's go. That's a nice little window area. You can sit and look out. I love these ropes for banisters, and I really love the spiral stairs. Another window there, and yeah, it just keeps spiraling and spiraling right up to the top. But tomorrow I'll explore up there. Okay, so when you come into my section, again, a lovely featured fireplace. And, oh, I get to sit down for a second, get my key ready. Yeah. All right. my goodness. I can't believe it. Did you know they got up here before me and delivered the remainder of the organic Melbeck? I know I'm a slow coach, but the gentleman didn't even pass. There's just so many different hidden hidden walkways. He must have taken another route, a shortcut, because I've just left them and I've come up and there it is. This is amazing. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna put the phone on charge, make my calls, and yeah, call it an early night because I am stuffed. Chef outdone himself as usual. And yeah, I'm looking forward to what tomorrow has in store. Normally, I would have attacked these chocolates already, but it's so nicely packaged. You just don't really want to tamper with it and such. And also, I have these that they've laid out for me. And in addition to that, you can see the short, well, you can't really see it at the moment because I haven't turned on the light, but there's shortbread, biscuits and all manner of treats. So yeah, see you soon.